Good afternoon and welcome to the Deciduous Forest.
Where is the deciduous forest, you may wonder?
Well, it's in your own backyard.
That's right. The deciduous forest covers eastern North America, eastern Asia, and western Europe.
The climate is very similar to what you're experiencing right now. The average temperatures are negative 30 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, or 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit.
Warm and hot summers and cold, snowy winters.
Now we will start our journey, beginning with producers and primary consumers, and ending with decomposers.
Sit down, lean back, and enjoy your ride through the deciduous forest.
Oak trees are a broadly flowering tree. In fall, their leaves turn shades of red, brown, and orange. In the late fall and winter, they lose their leaves. But in spring, the leaves grow back, and in the summer, they turn green again. Oak trees are found in the Americas, Asia, Europe, and North America.
The raspberry bush is a producer often found in the deciduous forest. It takes in sunlight and water to perform photosynthesis. A common predator for the raspberries are black bears and humans. One thing that helps protect the raspberries from predators are small thorns on the stem of the raspberry.
Rosebush is a producer. An adaptation of the rosebush are its thorns. When a predator tries to eat it, it gets pricked by the thorns and goes away. The rosebush thrives in sunlight. The rosebush natural colors are red, white, and pink. There are over 100 species of rosebushes.
The water strider, or water bug, are primary consumers, their diet consisting of small bugs. Their mouths have 3 parts so they can kill and eat their bug.
The squirrel is a primary consumer, maintaining a diet of nuts and acorns. But when food is limited, the squirrel will eat bark from trees. During the fall, squirrels gather nuts, acorns, etc. for the hibernation in winter. The front teeth of a squirrel are very sharp for biting into hard foods such as nuts and acorns. Wild mice are the prey of foxes and owls. They are primary consumers because they eat grains, fruits, and seeds. Wild mice have little pads on their tiny feet which help them grip the dirt floor.
The red fox is a secondary consumer. Its main diet includes mice and rabbits. The tail of a red fox serves many purposes, including helping with balance, providing warmth in the winter, and signaling other foxes.
The tawny owl is a secondary consumer, eating small rodents and squirrels, mice. They are mostly found in Eastern Europe and Southwestern Asia. Tawny owls are nocturnal, meaning they sleep during the day and are awake at night. The tawny owl's brownish feathers help them blend in with their surroundings.
When salmon are young, they are found in freshwater like the Great Lakes, but then as they grow older, they migrate to saltwater. They are mainly secondary consumers, eating insects, small invertebrates, small fish, and other sea organisms. Salmon are a common food source for black bears.
Black bears are primary, secondary, and third-level consumers, but never a producer. Their main prey include honey, berries, small insects, and salmon. Black bears are excellent at tree climbing, so to imitate their natural habitat, we made sure to include trees in their enclosure. Black bears are the smallest out of the 3 bear species that live in North America.
Lichens are decomposers in the deciduous forest. They feed off dead biotic factors and clean up the environment. They are usually yellow, gray, and green. Lichens are very strong and they can grow almost everywhere, from rocks to bark on trees.
Tawny milk-cap mushrooms are decomposers found in the deciduous forest. The tawny milk-cap mushroom gets its name from its characteristics. The mushrooms are an orange-brown tawny color, and milk seeps out of their gills and turn brown when cut. Tawny mushrooms are edible, preferably when fresh.
We hope you've enjoyed the wonderful trip through the deciduous forest.
Make sure to keep your forest around you healthy.
And always reuse, reduce, and recycle.
We hope you learned a lot.
And thank you for coming on this tour.